Hello guys, so this is our learning zone. So thanks for watching my video again. So if you think you like the video that I made, please click like buttons and subscribe my channels. So on today's topic, we will chat about differentiations. So if you heard about the differentiations, you should know what it is. Like many of the people that don't they just heard about the differentiations, but then they have no ideas on how to do it. So on today's we're gonna share with you like the formulas on how to do the differentiations. All right, so you just have to remember the formulas, and I believe it's just pretty simple. All right, when you're doing the differentiations, normally we would do with the functions. All right, so let's say fx. All right, this is the functions. So normally they will come with something if maybe it's 3x squared. So, and the questions will ask you to do the differentiations on these equations or functions. So you have to remember the formula for the differentiations. All right, you didn't get panic if you get a lot of numbers here. All right, you just have to remember everything goes to the basic. All right, so let's say I will give you the basics. All right, so let's say you have a x. All right, so the a is any numeric. All right, it can be 1, it can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, for the x, it can be x squared, it can be x cubed. All right, it can be anything at the back. All right, power of 3, power of 4, power of 5. All right, for doing the differentiations, you just what you need to do when you need to differentiate this thing. All right, when you need to differentiate this, you take the 3 you bring to the front. All right, it becomes 3a. All right, so if you bring to the front, so the x will remain. So this 3 you have to minus 1. So this is how you do the differentiation, and then you will get 3a square x square. All right, so this is how you do the differentiations. So you just have to stick with this formula, and then no matter how confusing, how complicated the question is, but then you just have to stick with this formula. Or if you have any questions that you cannot solve, maybe you can like write the questions at the comments below, and then I will help you to solve it. All right, so when how about we come back to this case. So these functions, you have 3x squared. So when you differentiate it for one time, so you have to put, so this symbol means you are going to differentiate this. You already differentiate these equations, these functions for once. So you bring the 2 to the front. 3 times 2, you will get 6 x. X will remain, and then the 2 minus 1, you get 1. All right, so this is how you're going to do the differentiate. All right, so it becomes 6x. All right, so this is how you do the differentiation. So some people might ask, what if I see it can be fx and it can be y. All right, so some people might ask, what if I get some subtractions in functions. So it can be very simple as well. So for example, in this case, 3x squared minus 4x plus 2. All right, so in this case, you just do it one by one. All right, you don't need to be panic if you see the questions in this long. So this is what you mean, like you need to differentiate the y. All right, so this is after the differentiate, and this is before the differentiate. All right, so 3x squared, we just do it separately. All right, 3x squared, this 2 bring to front, you get 6x. All right, this x all right, minus, this is power of 1, actually, you bring to the front, you get minus 4 as well, x power of 0, all right, so plus is a 2, this is without x, so when you differentiate something that without the x, so you just have to cancel it out, all right, so this got nothing. So the answer that you got here is 6x minus 4, and this is already become 1, 4 times 1, all right, so you get 4 again. So this is the thing that you differentiate after, like, after this is the thing that you got after you differentiate these functions, all right. So I think that's it for today's lessons. So if you think my videos can help you, and please subscribe my channel for more and more videos. So I will share another videos on the deep a bit deeper side for the differentiations. So you subscribe my channels and wait when I publish my videos, and then you will have notifications on your YouTube. So please subscribe my channels, and also please like and comment at below if you request any topics that you want me to share with you all. So once again, thanks for watching, and bye.